B. Shall we learn some words begins with B? Okay. Let's start with your favorite. It's ball. Banana. One of your favorite fruits. Yum yum. Bear. Animal. Bee. An insect. Here's another. Here's one of your favorites. Balloon. Bus. Bicycle. Book. Box. Bat. A baseball bat.